transform conflict. Breathe.
Transform yourself by leading. The one-armed samurai moved and positioned, led his attacker so that he could put him in a position of being protected. First, we learn through form, and we go deeply into form to understand ourselves. Next, we move into flow, so you understand the relational qualities of how things can transfer smoothly. And then thirdly, we go into more freedom. And from freedom, you're able to see a bigger picture of what the conflict is. Don't resist the resistance. Another way to transform the other person. By you being adaptive, you're feeling where they are. To transform the other person, you could use step with them. And by you adjusting, it transforms them and you and the situation. Conflict transformation. We're working on transforming the space. The space between two people that are in conflict. The space of where there's a group of people moving. The energy in the space, the vibe. It's all positive.